how's it going? Markel here, back with another video, and I want to answer some questions that were left behind regarding the original Surface Duo. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first question I got was this skin. Where did I get this skin from? This skin came from SofiGuard. Okay, SofiGuard is a company in the United States of America. So if you're here in Colombia, because I know some of you guys in Colombia asked this question regarding this skin, this skin came from the United States of America. The way that I got it here, as a matter of fact, even going to the website, if you don't have a VPN number and you're just having the local service here trying to go to SofiGuard's website, it will not allow you. It will block you. The way I was able to do it was I was able to take my American phone, because I still have American service, excuse me, not on that one, but on this one, and it recognized my VPN from the States, and I was allowed to get onto the website where I ordered this and had it sent to my address in Miami, and then had it shipped from Miami to here. That's how I was able to get it. Now, another way you can get this is to go through Amazon. Amazon will deliver here in South America directly to your door, but you're gonna pay for it, okay? This skin was $14.99 on SofiGuard's site. There were extra that came with it where you can change out this symbol right here to different colors to match Microsoft, or just make it all red, make it all green, or make it all white, whatever. I decided to just leave this on because I liked it better this way. But Amazon will deliver it, but they're going to charge you, I think it's 15 to 20% more on top of that. And if you don't have an order that's at least $25 or more, they're going to charge you another fee on top of that. So you may end up paying 50 bucks just to get this delivered to you in South America if this was the only thing you're ordering. The way I avoid a lot of that is that I make sure I'm ordering things that are more than $25 to avoid that extra fee. And if they have another fee that if you want to get it quicker, it's like double the fee that they charge you the first time. So if they charge you, say, $17 for normal shipping, you'll get it in 10 to 14 days. To get it in 3 to 7 days, they're gonna charge you like $35, $40 on top of that. So just know that, all right? Okay, next question is this bumper. Did the bumper come in the box or did I buy it separate? No, the bumper came in the box. Unlike the second version, this came with it in the box, all right? Didn't pay anything extra. The color underneath this is that glacier white. This is the bumper color that came with the glacier white. So yes, it was included, which brings me into the charger. Okay, it's Type-C, and yes, the charger was also included in the box. I did not pay extra for the charger, and no, if I can get this to focus real quick, no, mine is not broken here. I have seen several where people have cracked theirs or broken their charging port here. No, I think the skin also helps with mine, but I'm very careful with my devices. I try not to break them because I may sell them, trade them, or give them away, and nobody wants to take something that's broken. So I'm very mindful of that because I've seen videos where people have broken theirs and it's hard to get that repaired. But no, mine is not broken. Okay, other questions that I got. The panel, is it 120, 90 hertz, or 60 hertz? This is a 60 hertz panel, okay? There's no 90 or 100 on the first version. This is the original version. The second version does have 90 hertz. But you know, this works fine. This has the 855 Snapdragon processor, 6 gigs of RAM, 120 gigabytes of storage. When it comes to battery life, for me, now battery life is going to depend on the user. I am not a gamer, and I'm normally carrying another device when I have this, so this is not my sole only device. But I would say from 100% charge getting all the way down to say maybe 10%, I can usually get anywhere from 5.5 to 6 hours. I mean, this thing is super thin. Let me show it from this way. It's super thin, so it's not like this has gigantic batteries on here. I believe it's less than 3,500 milliamps between the two panels here. So battery life is not going to be the greatest, but again, it's going to depend on what you're doing, how high you have the screen brightness on as well. These panels, do you have them black? Do you have something in here where you're not using that many pixels? There's a lot of different factors that go into battery life. But for me, 5.5, 6 hours is usually what I get to get me to about 15 to 10% on the battery. Okay, Last question I got was, where did I get mine? How much did I pay for it? And was it fully unlocked? Okay, so this came from Amazon. This is the AT&T version, all right? I paid $414 for this, and I had it shipped to my Miami address. Now, the reason why I didn't have it shipped here, and you guys who order on Amazon have stuff shipped to you know, if you order something like this through Amazon, okay, even though it was $414, there's probably gonna be another $200 to $260 charge added on top because of Colombia's import tax. So you would have ended up paying, or I would have ended up paying close to $700 had I shipped it from Amazon to here because of Colombia's import tax. That's just the fee they're gonna charge, telling you right out the gate. But since I sent it to Miami and then it came from Miami to here, it actually got held up in customs for 2 weeks because they did not know what it was. Even though they sell it here, they didn't know what it was. They had to look at it and then figure out what they charged me for taxes, which ended up being like 60 or 70 bucks in taxes instead of that $200 or $260. So all in all, to have it delivered directly to me, I ended up paying like a little more than 100 bucks. So let's just say total was $520 what I paid to have it brought directly to me at my building. I didn't go drive anywhere, delivered right to me, okay? That's what it costs. The AT&T versions are usually between $125 to about $160 cheaper than the fully unlocked versions, all right? So that's why I went with the AT&T version. And to get it unlocked was very simple. I did a video on it. You first need to contact AT&T, then Microsoft. Microsoft unlocked this device after 6 days. Then 3 days later, I got another unlock code from AT&T. So that's how this device became fully unlocked, okay? And if you have apps on here from AT&T, very simple. You just click onto the app and either uninstall it or disable it. And that's it. That app from AT&T is not gonna show up, because I can show you here, I have 0 apps on here from AT&T, nothing. There's no anything here from AT&T that even shows you that this was an AT&T variant, nothing. So it's very easy to remove. I know someone was talking about bloatware. With these devices, and as long as these devices have been out, you should know how to disable or remove bloatware. Bloatware is nothing. It's very simple. As you can see, there's nothing on here that even indicates this was an AT&T model. You never would have known unless I told you it's AT&T or I factory reset the entire thing. Then some of the AT&T apps would appear. But other than that, no. There's nothing here that even shows you remotely close that this was an AT&T device if I never would have told you that, okay? So don't worry about getting the AT&T version. If you want to pick one up, like I said, it's easy to disable or remove whatever app it is. It's not a big deal. Unless you just want to spend an extra 125 to 160 bucks to get the fully unlocked version, totally up to you, all right? This is 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, A55 processor, all right? So hopefully that answered all of you guys' questions when it came to this device. All right, guys, but I appreciate everybody watching as always, and until the next time, guys, I am out.